Hello there, it's me. I am in a rush to get to work and I'm out of my juice. So what I'm gonna do here right now is really quickly, 1 lemon. And I have 4 small beets. I got turmeric root, ginseng, 3 green apples, and a little bit of spinach. I'm just gonna juice this all together. So let's just go real quick. And these are all ice cold. I'm gonna put them in the fridge. I'm gonna take maybe 4 with me to work. I'm gonna put the rest in the fridge. This will be gone by tomorrow.